Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. And so in today's video is going to be a makeup transformation. This beauty you can see here. So before getting to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, leave a comment. Getting started, I'll be taking my classic lash glue, so I'll be applying that to the brows, and this is just to slip down the brows. So I'll be using my S-Pon setting powder to set the brows, and as you can see, I'll be taking my LVH Beauty brow pencil and I'll be using that to outline and fill in the brows. As I said earlier, I'll be filling the brows with tiny strokes, as you can see. After that, I just cleaned up the brows with concealer and foundation. As you can see, I'm done with the brows. So moving on to the eyeshadow. So on her crease, I'll be applying the Elegant Pro Concealer as my eyeshadow base, and I'll be using the Real Technique brush to blend it out to the crease. So I'm done blending the crease. I'm going to go next to my eyeshadow application, and I'm applying an earth brown shade to the crease. So next, I'm applying this dark brown eyeshadow to my crease. Right now, I'm just trying to ensure both shadows are blended out properly. There is no harsh line whatsoever. So next, repeating the same process to the other eye. Let's go. Taking my ZK Second Skin Concealer, I'll be applying that to my crease to create a soft cut crease. And I'm just blending it out with a regular brush, and as you can see, it's a very soft cut crease. So next, once I'm done with this, I'll be applying a silver metallic eyeshadow to the cut crease. Taking the Glitz Cosmetic pigment in the shade Cherry, I'll be applying that to the eyeshadow, and this is just to make the eyeshadow pop more. So after fixing her lashes, I went ahead to use the eyeliner, and I'm just lining it out. Like, as you can see, it's a soft liner. Basically everything about this look is going to be soft except for the lips. It's going to be a bold kind. Taking my Papaya Extract facial cleanser, I'm cleaning off all the fallout and whatever dirt might have accumulated on her face. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to move into moisturizing her face with the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and always ensure to moisturize beneath the eyes. So I'm just highlighting places I would normally highlight, and this is because for me it makes the face more radiant. Check out her skin glow. So I'll be applying the foundation she's going to be holding. That's the Classic and the Blossom foundation onto her skin, and I'll be blending that out with a beauty sponge. And then next, once I'm done with that, I'll be applying my Pro Concealer in this is shade Pure Beige, and I'm applying that to the inner corner of her eyes, and I'm applying a fawn shade to the outer corner of her eyes. And then with my black opacity foundation, I'll be using that to contour the places I would normally contour, as you can see. And this is how I normally contour the bridge of my nose. Like, I blend out the concealer on the bridge of the nose, then the sides of the nose I contour it. So next, I'm blending out the contoured area with a brush. Just make sure you blend it out properly. I love blending, so take your time and blend. That's always my watchword. Like, take your time, sis. So just look at the skin. Like, I love the makeup, the eyeshadow, the skin, everything's just looking, popping. So I'm setting the face with my Carite setting spray, and I'm blending the concealer out with my Real Technique brush. I'm blending out the outer corner before going in to blend the inner corners of the eyes. So keep watching, guys. And I'm as well blending out the other highlighted places. So taking this beauty sponge, I'm using that to define the contoured areas of our face. And as you know, I love blending a lot, so I went back in with my beauty sponge, basically to absorb extra product that might be remaining on the surface. And look at the skin, man. Yo. So taking my S-Pon setting powder on my really technique brush, I use it to set beneath the eyes. Basically, I'm setting everywhere I highlighted. So taking my Beyond Beauty powder palette, I'll be taking those two shades and I'll be using that to set the places I earlier contoured with the black opaque foundation. So contouring her nose with the same powder shade. So I'm just applying blush to her cheeks. So next, I'm using a black line to line her waterline. So I'm just popping on some glitter to her under eye and using mascara to her bottom lash. So next, I'm just highlighting places I normally highlight, the cheekbones and everything. So basically, I could not film the whole process of the lips. So this is me when I outline the lips with the purple shade and I am filling it in with the red shade. I really love this lip combo. Like, so far so good. This has been my best lip combo. Plus the the lip drafting, everything, it was so perfect. This is me blending the purple to the red to give this ombre effect. This was just beautiful, like so beautiful. And like, come on, see this beauty, like, yo, the glow, I love it. The lips, everything was just set. Like, I was really proud of the lips, most especially because it was good. It was really good. So I'm just using powder to set her neck and blending out the face and everything, just setting the whole face. So this look is perfect for a dinner date, an evening glam, whatsoever, wedding. It's really perfect. So that is it, guys. She looks so beautiful. Like, I'm just setting the whole face and I'm just applying highlighter to the pinnacle of her nose, and I'm done with this look, guys. Thank you for watching. Look at the hair, look at the makeup, look at the face. Beauty is just too much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. But before then, look at this beauty. Oh, this beauty is too much. Okay, and I'll be showing you guys low lights of this video, of this look actually. See you next time, guys. Bye.